1960 emerges as the most disastrous earthquake year of modern times.
Even today, the images, the impact of that 1960 quake in Chile have the power to shock.
Thousands are dead. 1/4 of the nation, over 2 million homeless. Whole cities have been reduced to shambles.
The 1960 quake, about 10 times greater than today's, shook Chile for 11 horrifying minutes and sent shockwaves around the world, triggering destructive tsunamis. 15 hours later, a 35-foot wave smashed into Hilo on the big island of Hawaii, more than 6,000 miles away. 1,600 houses destroyed, 185 people dead or missing. A day later, a deadly 18-foot wave slammed into Japan. Tsunamis swept across the Pacific from the Philippines to California.
This is Natsuki and I'm reporting from an earthquake in Valdivia, Chile. We have several reporters for today.
The Chilean 1960 earthquake, also known as the Valdivian earthquake, erupted on May 22, 1960. Temuco was the closest city along with Valdivia where the earthquake took place. The earthquake's magnitude was scaled as a 9.5 on the Richter scale and an 11 on the Mercalli scale. The epicenter was located in Temuco, but Valdivia was the most affected city from the earthquake. Plate and South American plate, where the Nazcan plate subducted under the South American plate. 2 million people were affected to the earthquake. The Valdivian earthquake was one of many Chilean earthquakes that happened in that time frame. Just before the Valdivia earthquake, 3 earthquakes had occurred in Concepcion, Chile, 430 kilometers away. Tsunamis triggered by the earthquake affected the coast of southern Chile, Hawaii, Japan, the Aleutian Islands, and eastern New Zealand. One tsunami swept across the Pacific Ocean and devastated Hilo, Hawaii, by killing 61 people. 22 hours after the earthquake, a tsunami hit Japan, killing 142 people. 38 hours after the earthquake, on May 24th, volcano Kodankal began a rhyodacite fissure eruption.
What is a
rhyodactic fissure eruption? A rhyodacite fissure eruption is an eruption that comes up through the cracks in the ground and produces rock intermediate between dacite and rhyolite. Kodankal was located in between 2 sparsely populated areas. Not much damage was done to buildings and humans.